Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nazif Butcher. Today I'm going to show you how I debone a beef hip. I'm not going to say the proper way because there are so many different ways and I don't want to hear in the comments people saying you're doing it wrong. So I'm going to show you how I debone. Come on guys, let's do this together. First we remove the inside round. So as I'm cutting, I'm pulling it down so it makes it easier for me. Here is the hip bone. You see this? This is one of my favorite parts. Look, how's that? And then take my hook, put it here. I separate the inside round from this bone over here. This is the inside round. Next, I will remove this bone. Later, we'll trim this for some hamburger. Make sure your knife is sharp. You have seen my videos how I sharpen my knives. A sharp knife is a butcher's best friend. Next, we're going to go for the eye of round. This is the eye of round. All right. Sharpen your knife. This is the flat or outside round, or some people call it silver side or something like that. You call it whatever you want, but we're going to debone it today. You want to focus here, my friend. So this part, I remove it, and then when we're doing the trimming, we can clean it up. Next, we move on to the knuckles. Knuckle, remove this side from the bone. There's the knuckle bone here. You can see. Just make sure the meat is separate from the bone, like so. And then put your hook in, and then just pull it down. Pretty cool, huh? So this is the knuckle. This is the heel. Make a little cut here. Put your hook. This is the heel. Done. And then what you want to do is make a little slice here in the tendon so you can hang it like so. Now we're gonna debone the shank. Grab my hook, more leverage. That's it. Pretty cool. You know where to pull, where to cut. Not so difficult. This is the shank. And this is what's remaining. So we got the eye of round, the heel, the flat, the shank, the knuckle, the inside round. On my next video, I'll show you how I trim it and prepare it to put in the showcase for selling. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Thank you.